Intrigued by the next frontier in fashion technology? From digital fashion to the future of AI trends, join us on this exciting journey as we bridge the gap between technology and style. Find out. Welcome to the 360 Fashion Podcast, where you'll get the week's top most important news items in the realm of fashion and technology. I'm Anya, your host from 360 Fashion Network. I read hundreds of news items from fashion, augmented reality, virtual reality, wearables, robotics, textile innovation, and futurism every day. I choose the most critical items to summarize for you, saving you time so you can focus on your business. Listen and subscribe to receive this roundup regularly. Now let's jump right into it. First, Huawei's new Trifold phone costs more than a 16-inch MacBook Pro. Huawei unveiled the world's first dual-hinged triple-screen foldable phone, significantly enhancing multitasking capabilities and user experience with its unique Z Fold mechanism. Priced higher than a top-tier MacBook Pro, the Mate XT started at approximately $2,809 for the basic model, making a bold statement in the premium tech segment. It featured a versatile OLED display that adapted from a compact 6.4-inch screen to a spacious 10.2-inch surface, catering to varying user needs from portability to expansive visibility. In the realm of fashion technology, this trifold design could revolutionize how designers envision wearables, potentially integrating flexible display tech into clothing or accessories, thus opening new avenues for interactive fashion pieces. News source: The Verge, bridging the gap between digital product development and physical production reality for the fashion and lifestyle industry, DMIX by Color Digital GmbH. DMIX by Color Digital bridged the gap between digital product development and physical production, offering a unified platform for collaboration across the fashion supply chain. Real-time color calibration and synchronization in DMIX allowed for accurate color matching, reducing waste and speeding up the time to market. The 3D technology in DMIX provided lifelike virtual models and avatars, revolutionizing product visualization and integrating seamlessly with AR applications. The innovative use of digital material twins in DMIX facilitated precise material digitization, showcasing how advanced tech can improve efficiency and sustainability in fashion. News source: The Interline. What to know about Amazon Haul, e-commerce giant's new Temu and Shein competitor. Amazon entered the fast fashion ring with Amazon Haul, offering trendy wares at competitive prices, directly challenging low-cost fashion titans like Shein and Temu. Unlike its hallmark rapid delivery, Amazon embraced a longer delivery window for Amazon Haul items, navigating a shipping strategy akin to its competitors. With most products voyaging from Chinese warehouses, the e-commerce titan enforced rigorous screening for safety and authenticity on haul selections, ensuring compliance with regulations and instilling consumer trust in affordable fashion. Amazon Haul's initiative represents a significant move in fashion technology, pushing boundaries by merging the company's AI-driven recommendations with cost-effective, fashion-forward products, prioritizing accessibility in the digital apparel landscape. News source: Forbes, shoes from bacteria cellulose. Engineers harnessed bacterial cellulose to forge a new frontier in footwear, sculpting shoes from a material once confined to the microscopic world. Leveraging genetic engineering, a team at Imperial College London coaxed Comagotibacter rhaeticus into a shoe-worthy fabric, marrying innovation with sustainability and reducing the fashion industry's environmental footprint. This biofabrication breakthrough introduced shoes that are not only vegan but also dramatically lower in carbon emissions, water, and land usage compared to traditional animal leather, signaling a shift towards eco-conscious fashion. The integration of self-pigmenting bacteria sidesteps the resource-heavy synthetic dyeing process, presenting a fashion technology marvel that champions both aesthetic appeal and environmental responsibility. News source: Happy Eco News. Nike's Air Max 1000 are almost entirely 3D printed. Nike unveiled the Air Max 1000 at ComplexCon, its first nearly fully 3D printed shoe, revolutionizing sneaker production alongside Zellerfeld's technological expertise. The iconic Air Max 1 design evolved into the Air Max 1000, mixing materials for firm support and slip-on ease, preserving the hallmark air cushion while innovating everywhere else. Limited to a preview release, 1,000 lucky ComplexCon attendees scored a pre-order, with the iconic red colorway leading a palette of new hues showcased by influencers. Bridging tradition with high-tech, the Air Max 1000 delivered a taste of fashion's future, demonstrating advanced manufacturing's ability to craft impossible shapes and elevate personalized, tech-driven wearables in the industry. News source: The Verge. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.